Hey you guys, welcome to today's video. I am actually really excited about this because we have more scented makeup from L'Oreal. They are kind of, in my opinion, on a winning streak because the peach products that they brought out, the palette, I already did a video on that. I will link it below. But also they came out with scented blush. It's a fruit scented blush and I am loving them. Actually, do I have it right next to me? Hold on. Where's my fruit scented blush? I did have it right next to me. So this is the Paradise Enchanted scented blush. Oh my gosh, you guys, these go on like the True Match blushes, which are some of my favorites. They do not skip or budge or bunch up. They're some of the most blendable blushes at the drugstore in my opinion, and I love these. So we tried the scented eyeshadow palette, scented blush, and now for the grand finale, I have scented liquid lipsticks that have the cutest names, beautiful colors, and I cannot wait to try these out. So these are the Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lips. This is the Le Chocolate perfume scented collection. I think this is gonna smell great because actually the glosses that come in this kind of a tube from L'Oreal smell like a waffle cone and they just have the best scent. L'Oreal lipsticks on the other hand have kind of a perfume scent that just gives me a headache, and I know that sounds really extreme, like, oh, is your lipstick really giving you a headache? But I feel like your mouth is right here, so you do smell whatever scent is on your lips all throughout the day, and that scent in their traditional lipsticks drives me crazy. But anything in this tube is a whole nother story. So we're gonna see if it gets better and if this chocolate collection is worth the hype, if the formula is good, if they are long wearing, all of that. I feel like this is really like a big moment. Like we need to kind of like take a pause and all like take a deep breath together. Like this is the whole like campaign that it smells like chocolate. Please smell delicious and yummy. Ooh, I just bumped it on my nose. Tati, gosh dang it. Why are you so clumsy? Oh my God. Oh my God. I have never, no BS, no joke. I have never smelled a better smelling lipstick ever. It smells like a cross between hot chocolate and really good chocolate pudding. This smells so good. It's almost worth it just to smell. Oh my gosh, that smells so yummy. Okay, so yes, I was kind of afraid that it would stink for some reason. I was like, oh, they're kind of reaching with the whole chocolate thing. It's gonna smell like a scratch and sniff, you know? Man, L'Oreal, they're just like bringing their A game. So the one that I just swatched is called Sweet Tooth. I'm just gonna do some quick swatches for you guys and then we'll do the try on portion of this video. I then have the shade Dose of Cocoa. That's beautiful, look at that. This is a more mauve pink tone. This is called Candyman. These are swatching really beautifully. It's interesting though, they feel really glossy and kind of gel-like. I don't know that this is a dry down matte lipstick, but it does say online that it is a 16-hour wear. And anything in the L'Oreal range that says Infallible, in my opinion, is great. They do have really good long wearing products. So we then have the shade 70% Yum. Where's the rest? Ooh, oh my God, that is just like really, they're swatching so evenly. All right, this is gonna look awful on me, this shade Bittersweet. I can just already tell I'm gonna look really like not myself, but we're gonna try it anyway because that's the name of the game. Try it all. Okay, I also have Box O Chocolate. Now you guys, I am in the midst of doing like the most giant decluttering of my life, and it's kind of funny that I'm sitting down and reviewing like more lipsticks, like the full collection. I'm not gonna keep everything that I won't wear. Like even if I like the texture and I'm like, hey, A+, I'm gonna try and only keep like one or two. These are really pretty. Like I actually think they're really super beautiful. Wow, look at these colors. I can't. Okay, so that was Box O Chocolates. Okay, I just think these are gonna be great. Okay, where do we start? Let's start with the lightest one. I always like to do that. And we're gonna go in with Sweet Tooth. All of the Infallible lip glosses or liquid lips have this awesome pointed doe foot applicator. I think it's really great. I've always really liked that. YSL has the same thing, and it's just like such a nice applicator because then you can go in without liner. Whoa. I kind of love these colors. Like I kind of feel like, yes, J-Lo, like smoke up the eyes some more and then it's like the disappearing lips. And if you have really bronzy skin, it can be so pretty. But then other times I look and I'm like, ooh, your lips just disappeared entirely. Like this looks really, really strange. What do you guys think of this kind of a nude? Do we love it? Do we hate it? For me, I think I would want to line my lips a lot stronger and just have some kind of gradient of color. But that being said, this did go on really evenly. Okay, how is this drying down? I'm confused. All right, Ulta is going to educate us right now. So it says, Dear Chocolate Lovers. No, it doesn't say dear, it says details. Chocolate lovers, meet your matte. Okay, so this is a matte dry down. Yeah, it is kind of transforming before my eyes. I thought it was glossy, but it's not. Okay, so this is a full matte coverage, long wear liquid lip. It feels light, never sticky. No, it is sticky. It actually is really sticky. It has a Pro Sculpt applicator. We love that. And it's scented deliciously. Okay, so I mean, it's pretty basic. They're $9.99 a piece. You can always buy one, get one half off. I always recommend doing that, especially with more expensive drugstore brands like L'Oreal, Physicians Formula. Just like get two of whatever you're needing. Ooh, that's kind of tough to come off. Oh my gosh. Normally, a makeup wipe will take off even a liquid lip. But this is like not wanting to budge, dude. And we need some oil. Okay. This is like really tough to come off, but that means it's probably very long wearing. Glass half full. All right, on to the next one. We are gonna try out Dose of Cocoa. I think I'm gonna like this one. Yum, these smell so good, you guys. I can't, I wanna eat it. Ooh, yeah, I actually really like that. This is super pretty. This is like, I think it kind of goes with my makeup. What do we think? What do we think? Okay, also let me know in the comments below, which one was your favorite? Which one do you think I should keep? I'm gonna listen to you guys. I'm actually gonna poll it. Okay, so moving on, I'm gonna take a little bit of oil from Farsali. This is the Volcanic Elixir. It's so-so. I've mixed this in with foundation a few times. I'm still playing around with it. So liquid lips usually will come off very easily with anything oily. I mean, most of us know that, but if you don't, it will help. Oh my God, these are just like whoosh. They do not want to come off. I like really felt that this was not gonna be that challenging of a video, but these do not want to be removed. Let's try out Box O Chocolate. I mean, look how like nice coverage that is though. This one, I want to look good on me. I'm afraid it doesn't really work with me, but it really went on so smooth. I actually enjoy just how smooth this applied. They just like, they have no balding, no patchiness. They're just like, shh. I think if you wait for it to completely dry down, which I'm gonna give it we're just gonna chill. I'm gonna give it like a couple of minutes and wait for it to turn matte. I feel like I need a ponytail. This is actually kind of nice. Maybe I could pull this off. Maybe. Am I cool enough? I don't think I am. Like, I never want to look like I'm trying way too hard, but I can appreciate this kind of a look on other people. I think it's really pretty. We're gonna move right along into the next one. This has dried down pretty matte. It took about 3 minutes, so they dry down pretty quickly. And the thing that I am noticing now that I am giving it enough time to really dry down is that stickiness does dissipate a little bit. Like while it's still glossy, I think the formula is much more sticky and it has to set and then it feels mildly sticky. So I am of course gonna wear this and we will see just how long that feeling lasts because I personally, I hate stickiness. I don't know, I cannot handle it. So we're gonna see. Everything else about this product, like A to Z from applicator, colors, pigmentation, scent, everything is great. Stop it. Oh my God. Like I literally just put oil all over my mouth. I always think these videos are gonna be so fun and they are until about halfway through and then I hate my life. Yeah, it tastes really bad. I'm gonna need one of those like little lip masks, you know? Like that look like lips, but they're like a sheet mask. That will be me later on tonight. All in the name of beauty. Okay, no, we're doing the darkest one last. Oh my goodness. We're gonna go straight into this guy right here. This is Candyman. It makes me think of Christina Aguilera in Burlesque. I personally love that movie. I don't care what any of the critics said. Like, I love that movie. Wait, was the Candyman in Burlesque, or was that actually on one of her albums? Does anybody else know the song that I'm talking about? Someone does. Someone please make me feel younger. Ooh, I actually really like this one. Yeah, this is like my color. Candyman is my color. I'm loving it. I kind of want to see what a little bit of this on top of it looks like a little bit of Sweet Tooth. My lips actually look bigger and plumper than they are just because they've been abused. Like, they've been rubbed and my lips hurt, but they actually look good. So glass half full. I really think I'm gonna end up wearing this one. I like this. Like, I feel good about this. I feel good in this shade. It's kind of, you know, my comfort zone. These shades are really, really beautiful though. They did such a good job. Okay. Next up is Bittersweet. This one I think is gonna look like doo-doo on me. Oh yes. On me, it looks horrible. I think you need to be really like have a really hip style, or you just need to not be as pale as me for this to work. Okay, the thing that is shocking me the most about this collection is every single shade has the same level and quality of pigmentation. Usually when you have a collection, there's one or two shades that, you know, are kind of like, ooh, this is a great collection, except for those two shades are really patchy. So I'm really impressed that the smoothness and the richness is very consistent in every single color. That's really great. I apologize if the mouth area is super red. I can't really tell if it's doing that in the monitor or not. We're irritated. The lips are irritated. Okay, this is the last one. Ooh. Dang, I mean, like, ooh. Ooh, this is an Instagram lip. I feel like this is very Kylie Cosmetics, very edgy. Like, I like it. I actually like this. My husband will hate it. He hates this kind of a lip. I don't care. I think I'm gonna wear this one. The crazy thing about this shade, like, this is the darkest one of the bunch. I didn't have to dip in again. This is just like one swipe. Are you kidding me? This is so good. I'm actually really excited because I surprisingly like the way this looks. I did not think that I would like this shade. I thought I would put it on and I would feel really uncomfortable, but I actually kind of feel extra cool and I like it. So we're just gonna go with the flow, and I'll see you guys a little later with how this all wore. All right, you guys, first off, the rest of my makeup is kind of worn out of place. Secondly, I have to say that I am completely shocked by this lipstick, that it has stayed on all day long. It is past midnight now. I just finished watching The Bachelorette and I was like Snapchatting, and I was eating a big bowl of soup and being super messy, and it was like an oily soup, and usually when you do that, it will destroy any liquid lip. So when I went upstairs and I looked in the mirror and I was like, oh yeah, I need to do a check-in, I was totally shocked because, you guys, this is like such a dark liquid lip. Holy smokes, it has not, like, oh my gosh, is this Lip Sense? No, it's L'Oreal for $9.99 at the drugstore, and it smells like chocolate. I really want to keep them all, even though I was like, I'm in a decluttering mode and I'm only gonna keep one or two, maybe three. Anyway, if you guys like this color on me, let me know that as well. I kind of really love this applicator scent color selection, just the like creaminess of them, and that they wear this well. P.S. the stickiness does go away, so like problem solved. You have to wait a couple hours and then it's not dry at all either. It's like the perfect liquid lip. Not being paid to say that. This is not sponsored. And yeah, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you are subscribed if you aren't already, and make sure the notification bell is on so you don't miss any future videos. All right, I love you guys so much, and I will be back tomorrow with an excellent video trying on all of the horrible makeup from the bad bin. So I hope to see you then. And again, thanks for hanging out with me. All right, have a good one, guys. Mwah.